Hello everyone, I am Sunil Kumar from Jammu, currently pursuing B.Tech Civil Engineering from Mewar University. The Department of Civil Engineering is the hub of innovation and excellence, dedicated to nurturing skilled professionals with a focus on practical learning and model. Faculty prepares students for diverse challenges in the field. Exceptly, faculty members guide students through a comprehensive curriculum covering structure, design, and construction and environment sustainability. Collaboration with industry and research institutions ensure students stay updated with the latest advancement. Through a blend of theory on hand, experience, the department fosters the development of futures ladders in civil engineering posed to make significant contribution to society. Thank you and thank us to university.